Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel, Caddy Girl Garage. So as promised, today we're going to be doing a very detailed walk around of our 54 Superior Hearse here. I will be taking a lot of still pictures because the car is going on eBay tonight. My asking price is going to be $4,500 or best offer. I just want to see this car go to somebody who's going to completely restore it, get it back on the road, either completely restore it to original, or a cool idea might be like a surf wagon because we're in SoCal, so we think about stuff like that. But as discussed in some of my previous videos, I did the VIN research. This is a Superior Hearse. It is not an ambulance, so the paint scheme was probably just somebody taking a rattle can to it. And then the lights on the top are also not factory. So in the door seals, the Superior Coach logo is present, and also on the sides of the seats, they have the little Superior logo. So that VIN verification search that I did was accurate, and it is a Superior Hearse. Superiors are one of the top of the line hearses, one of my favorites, so that was really cool, makes it a little bit more rare. Obviously some legit concerns with this car. People were asking about the curved glass in the back door, and obviously the two side pieces. So what I suggest for that, if I have a lot of friends in the hearse world, if I would have been able to locate glass for this car, I definitely would have done it and put it with the car, but I haven't been able to yet. So I either suggest plexiglass or a product called Lexan, where they make molds from the car and then they make new pieces for it. So that would be two options that you could go with, or maybe you guys have a friend out there or know somebody who has pieces for this car, which would obviously be awesome. The rest of the glass on the sides, obviously flat glass, that's easy. And then the windshield is not hearse or ambulance specific like it is with 59s and 60s. Since it is a 54, it is the same as a coupe or a sedan, so that's easy just to pick up. I suggest, for parts, I love CaddyDaddy.com. I will put information for them to contact them in the link below. My contact information will obviously be at the end of the video and then also in the description bar below. If you guys want to contact me and reach out about this car, if you have any questions, I'd be happy to discuss it with you. I'm going to try to cover every aspect with the walk around video and the pictures that I take today. But like I said, I just hope that this car gets put back on the road. It was headed to the junkyard / crusher when I found it. The guy who had it was like, I just bought this property. It's in my way. It's an eyesore. Get rid of it or I'm going to call the junkyard. So definitely too nice of a car for that. I did not want to see that happen. So that's how I got a hold of it, and the rest is history. You can see a lot of my previous videos on my YouTube channel of cleaning this car out. It was an absolute disaster. Looked like a trash can on the inside. I think people just, threw whatever in this car just to get rid of it. So it was pretty nasty. But anyway, let's get started on our walk around video. I want everybody to have eyes open on this one and know exactly what you're getting. So like I said, if there's something that I missed or didn't cover, I'd be happy to take pictures for you, another video, whatever. So like I said, in the comments below, just tell me what you guys are looking for and I will take care of it. As always, thank you for supporting and watching my channel and supporting what I do, rescuing these old Cadillacs and trying to keep them out of the junkyards and on the road. So let's hop into our video and get started. All right, so I'm just going to start with the motor area, engine bay. So our hood hinges, that one is completely broken over there, as you can see right there. So that is why our hood, I'm using a stick right here to keep it open. Obviously that one hood support right there is very bent. So here is the engine bay, original motor. Obviously the carb has been missing, so don't know what's going on the inside. Obviously needs a complete rebuild, I'm sure. This fender right here, I would obviously replace, or if you're really talented with metalwork, you could probably replace this, or not replace it, but repair it, what I'm trying to say. So this is the engine bay, what you guys are looking at. Chrome is decent on the front, very decent. The back bumper has a couple holes in it, but the front is actually quite nice. You'll have to pardon the noise from my neighbors. So we have some filler right here, Bondo, filler, whatever you want to call it. So like I said, gonna need some rust repair there. The door is nice after we took the signs off, the county hospital signs, because that was obviously a joke too. But as you can see, like what we discussed earlier, black jams, black rockers, things like that from being its previous life of a hearse. So here's our floors in the front where your feet go, need redoing. The concrete, that's a new one on me. I guess somebody was trying to repair it, but to me it's just a joke. The roof is really nice everywhere on this car. Not a lot of dents or anything like that. I will show the roof here in a minute. The floors behind the seat are good. It's just the floors in front of the seat that need help. There's your Superior Coach logo. Not sure what could possibly be hiding under that molding right there on the rocker. I have not removed it, so I don't know. I'll get some video underneath the car here in a minute so you guys can see that. Somebody in the comments the other day was kind of criticizing how I was pressure washing the inside of the car, but as you can see, I mean, it's not going to hurt it. You know, this car has sat open in the rain in New Mexico, however much rain they get, which probably isn't much, but it's been sitting open for years, so what I did really isn't going to hurt it, and it's dry as a bone now, because in SoCal we have a lot of heat, even in the winter months. So as you can see, a little bit of rust right there around where the skirt goes, right there. There's one of our holes in the rear bumper, not awful, can totally be fixed. A little bit of cancer on the skin, obviously, of the rear door right here. The door still closes really nice, so it didn't get into like the hinge area or anything like that. I'll show you that here in a minute. Like I said, roof is beautiful on this car. Not sure what this is. Obviously something that I should have gotten rid of before I took the video. Sorry about that. So like I said, door still opens and shuts really, really nice. Just gonna pop that right there so the hinge holds it out. There's your cancerous area right there that needs replacing and redoing. If you're looking from far away, I am located in Southern California, but I have, in the past, I have transported many cars. Transport will be buyer responsibility, who you choose, who you use for that. I have people I can recommend to you, but like I said, it is buyer responsibility and at buyer cost. But the car will have 4 rolling tires on it, which it does now. They all hold air. Car rolls and steers just fine. So just for transportation purposes, you can totally get it on a truck and have it taken anywhere you like. So needs some work in the lower rockers around where the skirts go. I do have the skirts for the car as well, so those are not missing. This rocker could use some help. As you can see, we have a hole right there, and then some filler. And then this fender up here, I would just honestly replace the whole fender because I do not know what this silly thing is, but it's obviously not factory and should not be there. It looks like a toolbox stuck on the side of the car. So that's very strange. So like I said, I would probably just replace the whole fender. It would probably just be easier. The stainless on the car is very nice. You know, obviously a couple dents and dings here and there, but stainless is super easy to straighten and fix and polish. At least it's all here. It is complete. So you're not trying to track down pieces. I'll go back here and climb up on the back so you guys can see the roof. Here's the roof that you guys can see. Very nice curves, no dents. Like I said, those lights are not factory. Go over here and open our driver door. Door panels are still pretty nice. One little positive thing, right? So like I said, I would suggest replacing this driver's side rocker. It's got some issues pretty much all the way to the back. One dome light on the dash right there. Found that in all the piles and piles of trash. Car is showing 77,252 miles. And for a hearse, honestly, that's probably not rolled over. I would say that's probably accurate mileage. They didn't get a lot of drive time. Like I said, the concrete is just hilarious. So obviously this whole front floor would just be cutting it out and replacing. Although the firewall, I will say this about the car, the firewall is very solid, very nice. So at least you don't have to worry about that. You could probably just make the cut right there at the seam and then replace from there back. Here's a little shot underneath showing the frame, body mounts, things like that. Those still look really solid and nice and good. You can see under there. I am on the driver's side of the car. This was the side with the bad rocker. All right, everybody, so our walk around video is complete. If I missed anything, please feel free to reach out in the comments below or contact me personally. If you guys need to see anything else about this car, my contact information will be in the description, also in the end of the video. So it will be listed on eBay tonight. Like I said, I'm asking $4,500 or best offer. Make me an offer. The most important thing about this car, I just want to see it go to somebody who's going to appreciate it and hopefully get it back on the road and driving again, because after all, that's what all this is all about. So like I said, I'm the Caddy Girl. Thank you as always for watching my videos and supporting what I do and watching my channel. It means the world to me. Have a very blessed day, everybody. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.